Bani fibro kijing pitip nam ta ki result te ka result ba penmi menta ka sngi hapo ka website MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission ka badai jong ka post assistant auditor under the administrative control of the director local fund audit kane kanang datang ka prelim te kan non skamen Meghalaya January 2018 held on the 11 March 2023 te khadwe tarik March pento e kanang exam prelim te kini ki ba qualify hereby declare a candidate bearing the following number have qualified to appear for the mains. Te kan don saka main exam nam ta kini candidate. Te baro ki candidate ki ba qualify hangne ki don kumba lais pa dunai ars pa tam na lais pa duna kam tahi baro ki ba qualify ban poi saka main exam mar kan don saka prelim ka main dan saka interview. Te sa check na po ka website jongka MPSC nam ta ka ne result check ki roll number la fill appear nam ta ka ne ka post assistant auditor under the administrative control of the director of local fund audit Meghalaya kepada jong January 2018 test kan mau sampai jiki number check na po ka website ngan sabuk ka link po description test ka way biang ka result kepada jong ka MPS Meghalaya Police Service kanero applied 29 August the result of the prelim examination of the post of Meghalaya Police Service under whom Police Department August 2019 held on the 17 December eka exam ito eka prelim hau kanyo 3 December ajar par teknik candidate la hereby declare the candidate bearing the following number are declared to have qualified kinero la qualified ban poi syaka main ladap ka main ke sa poi syaka interview tesa check ye roll number jong lade lada fill appear nam ta kan exam MPS Meghalaya Police Service under home department tekine ki nomor te hangneru ki don kumtahi kumba ars pa tam e baro ki ba qualify nam ta ka main exam te sa check ki roll number jong phi da kwa ban yo ya kane ka use select na po ka website MPSC website ban yo ban download ya kane ka notice dates of the main examination will be notified in due course tekin sa pentip ya po ka website nam ta ka main examination nam ta kene ka post bro artalimo tangki ni jing tip tulis bun